And the race is on. Taste of Paradise fast to begin, running by the Reds Bangge. Racing in third power, Gear Douglas Charm down on the inside. Muskrat Princess Jelly is the early trailer by about 5 or 6 lengths of the leader. Taste of Paradise followed by Bangge. Power Gear Racing in third by Lincoln Hub, moving up down on the inside. Princess Jelly Muskrat racing from the outside. Douglas Charm as they round the 3/4 mile distance. Taste of Paradise by a length and a half, followed by Bangge. Muskrat racing in third by another length, and racing in fourth is Power Gear down on the inside. Princess Jelly Douglas Charm is still running at the tail of the field, working towards the back. Taste of Paradise, Bangge, and moving up by the rally's Princess Jelly Muskrat from the outside. Power Gear Douglas Charm. Inside the last 600, Taste of Paradise, followed by Princess Jellic, Muskrat racing from the outside, Bangge, dropping back import down on the inside is Power Gear Douglas Charm. Inside the last 450, Taste of Paradise, by a length and a half, followed by Princess Jellic, Muskrat still racing in third, Bangge, Douglas Charm, as they swing for home. Taste of Paradise, increasing its marker to about 5 lengths. Princess Jellic running in second, Douglas Charm down on the inside, and entry number 2, Power Gear Muskrat Bangge, and during the finish line, better go down and collect Origin the back for entry number 4, Taste of Paradise. Second, Power Gear Princess Jellic Muskrat Douglas Charm, and Bangge comes last.